Hey guys, it's Miss Gresham again. Just wanted to go over our word problem of the day. I'd like to model a couple of strategies that you could have used to solve the problem and let you see if you got the correct answer when you did your word problem. So, our word problem of the day was Mrs. R had 9 paintbrushes. She gave 6 of her paintbrushes to her students. How many paintbrushes does Mrs. R have left? So she had 9 paintbrushes and then she gave some of them away. When it says she gave some of them away, that lets me know that I'm going to need to subtract. I'm going to take away. So I'm going to start with an amount and then I'm going to take some of those away to figure out my answer. And that answer is called the difference. Okay? So, and my important numbers in this problem are 9, because that's how many she started with. And then how many did she give away? 6. Great job. She did. She gave away 6. So the first thing I'm going to model is drawing a picture. Remember, when we draw a picture, we just draw dots. So I'm going to draw 9 dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. And we just go back and double check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So she started with 9, and then what happened? You are correct. She gave 6 of those paintbrushes away. So I'm going to cross off 6 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And then we circle the ones that we didn't cross off, and that helps us figure out how many we have left. And we have 1, 2, 3. So Mrs. R had 3 paintbrushes left. And our number problem, our number sentence would look like this. We started with 9. She gave away 6. That would be the subtraction sign. She gave away 6. And we want to know how many does she have left. And she has 3 paintbrushes left. So 9 minus 6 equals 3. Great job. Okay, the other strategy I'm going to show you is a 10 frame. Remember, when we draw a 10 frame, we make a rectangle. And a rectangle has 2 sides that are long and 2 sides that are short. Then I draw a line in the middle from the left to the right and 4 lines from the top to the bottom. And that gets me my 10 frame. Okay, so how many paintbrushes did she start with? Well, she started with 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I didn't really need to count that because I know that if I leave one empty, that's 9, because 1 less than 10 is 9. So here's our 9 paintbrushes, and then Mrs. R gave away 6 of those paintbrushes. So you can start crossing off from the top, or you can start at the end at the bottom. You can decide, but I'm going to start at the top. I'm going to cross off 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So I crossed off 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I circle the ones that are left, and I go 1, 2, and 3. So how many paintbrushes does Mrs. R have left? Well, she has 3 paintbrushes left. And our number sentence is going to look just the same as the one up here. She started with 9. She gave away 6. And that gives us 3. So I hope that's the answer that you got at home. If not, it's okay. Try it again. Just get a piece of paper and have mom and dad help you, and you can practice this at home. Great job, boys and girls.